Yeah, today we are going to unbox the special package from Flipkart, and the inside box we have is Dr. Trust Vaporizer. Let's check it out. Let's open this box first. Let's peel the sticker first. Let's throw it aside and open this package. You can look at here. Let's open this. The packaging is good from Flipkart. Let's open this box and check it out. What else can you can look at here. We have Dr. Trust Nano Facial Iconic Facial Streamer, Humidifier and Towel Warmer. The series is 902. Our streamer stores products and the stream has negatively charged ion particles. Nano stream combined with ionic water particles are 10x more effective in penetrating through skin. 3-in-1 facial streamer and the towel warmer and humidifier, and 200 ml of water tank. We have backside of the vaporizer designed for the accurate focus of the steam. Control knob, fruit facial, and look at top of the box. Let's zoom it and look this nano facial streamer. Title: Dr. Trust USA 3-in-1 electric nano portable iconic face streamer. Color white and blue. The model number is nano streamer, and that's it. Let's look at this side of the box, other side of the box, and the test item standards results pass. All certifications are passed by this Dr. Trust, and this is a quality product of Nagora Ionzic USA. And let's look at this and zoom out this, and using the streamer, preparing the streamer. Place the streamer on the flat surface. Remove the water tank from the back streamer and fill the water distilled purified water. Water is supplied to main unit through water supply tank. So insert it back into streamer. Insert electric plug into a power outlet. Press the power button until the blue light appears. Streamer will emit the streamer steam after about 60 seconds. Be cautious of a few hot water sprinkles may be sprayed from the device before steam starts emitting. It's not malfunctioned. Start using streamer. Let's open this package and look at how it looks like. From opening the box, we have a warranty card. Let's put it aside, and this streamer is nicely packed. We have a mug. Put it aside, and we have thermocol. Let's throw it away. We can open this Dr. Trust. Oh wow, it's awesome, right? The blue and white color device, nice. And nothing in the box, nothing else in the box, just the humidifier or the vaporizer. Let's quickly open this cover and check it out what we have in this cover. And this, and we have a power cable for power. And let's check it out. Okay. back side of this we have a water tank. We can take it off and put some water in this by opening this lid like this, and let's put it back the same way and check it out. Here we have off, warm towel, facial streamer, humidifier, and the brand is Dr. Trust. It cost me around 3000 bucks. I ordered from Flipkart, as you know. Let's open this lock and check it out. We have some vapor coming from it, the ventilation, and we have the mug with us. We can keep it like this. We can add some oils or fruits for facial streaming or warm towel. We can put a kerchief in this. They said we can put towel, but no, we can put a warm kerchief. And let's put it back and we check it out for the steam coming out from it. So please wait some time. I'll power it on and plug it to my power outlets. Let's check it out and let's power it on. Look at that, guys. Have blue indication, and we should wait 50 or 60 seconds for the vapor to come out. We should wait 50 or 60 seconds, or you can skip this. As you can see, the vapor is coming out. We switched off those lights because we should look at the vapor, and this is the vapor. It's too hot, and this is humidifier, and switched to facial streamer. The facial streamer comes like this. You can look at the, so good for health. This helps to breathe free, and this free our lungs. And this is the vapor coming out, as you can see. So that's it, guys, for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech ER. Don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and bye bye. Support me, and the other thing is support me, make it 1000 subscribers, because I want to stream a live for you guys in my tech channel. So please support me. Thank you for commenting me. Just make it 1000, and look at my stuff, the cool stuff coming soon. So thank you and bye bye, guys.